We're going to do a little experiment today. We're going to cook these ribs in the air fryer. This is one rack of baby back ribs cut in half. I'm not taking the membrane off today because, frankly, I just don't feel like it. And I'm going to season it with some salt, white pepper, ground ginger, and a little red pepper flake. And just let it sit at room temperature for about a half an hour. So I put the divider in the air fryer so that the ribs will stand up while they cook. And we'll see how this goes. Let's pop that in. And let's cook it at 360. Let's start with 20 minutes. And I'm going to check it every 5 minutes and just see how it's doing. All right, those ribs have been in the air fryer for 5 minutes. Let's take a look, see what they're... Okay, already getting a little action. You can hear a little sizzle in there. All right, well, I'm not going to do nothing to them. I'm just going to push it back in and let it go. So 20 minutes. 20 minutes is up. And let's take a look at those ribs from the air fryer. They look really good. Let's take them out and see if they're tender. Now, I'm going to let these go for a little while longer. So they're still a little bit pink on the inside. So let's go for another 10 minutes and we'll see. So our ribs have been in the air fryer for 30 minutes. And I'm going to use the back of this toothpick to see if it's tender. If that dull toothpick can slip right in there, then the ribs are nice and tender. Yep. You can see that it easily slides right between those bones. So these ribs are done. Take a look at that. All right, I'm going to slice them up. Let's see how they look. Okay, those ribs are done. That was 30 minutes in the air fryer. Take a look at that. It's nice and juicy and quick. You know, low and slow may be one way to go. There's nothing wrong with hot and fast. That's baby back ribs, and it was just seasoned with ginger, powdered ginger, garlic, red pepper flakes. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box. And then if you want a little sauce, you can squirt. Oh, I forgot to take the tip off. You can squirt a little sauce on them. And enjoy. That's all. Air fryer, baby back ribs, 30 minutes.